Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do color correction with color curve on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and I'm just going to open my draft so we can tap on the video, and I'm going to open this draft. And if you want to do color correction with color curve, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on the filter button, and then click on the adjust option, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the color curve, this one. Tap on the color curve, then I'm going to make this video more blue, so I'm going to increase the blue color. We can drag this dot like this. You can drag it up or drag it down, and I'm going to increase the blue color and the green color as well. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And I'm just going to tap on this check mark button and tap on this check mark button again. And this is the result. And I'm going to show you the original video. This is the original video. And this is the result when I have done the color correction. And alright guys, that's how we can do color correction on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.